Have you ever heard of the reindeer cyclone? While it's not entirely new, its unique movement is always impressive. These enormous soldier crabs, it's truly amazing.
Jesus Christ! That is huge! That is absolutely huge! Yes! Yes!
Oh! Oh my god! Oh, amazing!
Oh my God! Look at this run! Oh! Oh my God! Holy!
Take a look at this breathtaking moment. A massive avalanche cascades down the slopes of the Himalayas. People below stand in awe, capturing the raw, unstoppable power of nature. This dust storm might look small, but it's surprisingly powerful, effortlessly swirling and sending numerous chairs flying in its wake.
This is the one. This is the rock. That was a goodie.
See how straight this smoke rises, forming a perfectly vertical line. This is likely a result of calm and stable wind conditions.
Что это, в планету идет куда-то? Ёбана. А, його. Что-то там не то. Watch out, Zach. It's gonna spin over.
There's the doggy. Oh, how was that ride?
Oh my God, I'm so confused. How did these dogs get inside the tree? This is truly unbelievable. This lava flow is truly mesmerizing and absolutely stunning. At Yellowstone National Park, people stand spellbound as a massive geyser erupts, launching towering clouds of steam and dark ash into the sky. This breathtaking display captures the sheer, untamed power of nature.
воде просто трындец.
Куда вот это проехали?
Твою мать, что за наклон? Не знаю, видно нет, эта фигня крутится.
Ты не начинаешь, как
Смерч сраный, господи.
Ё-моё,
Сейчас нас не пойдет.
This towering waterspout is both terrifying and awe-inspiring, a breathtaking display of nature's raw power. This is absolutely incredible. This person discovered a peculiar rock that appears This is a mud volcano, always bubbling and shifting with constant movement. That is so satisfying. Lenticular cloud was spotted over a mountain in Spain, remaining completely still for 24 hours. There is a substantial amount of natural gas available here.
it's coming here, yo.
To us?
Yeah.
Look at this terrifying monster tornado. It's moving quickly, destroying everything in its path.
Oh! Violent tornado, violent.
The entire clip is coming down slowly. This is absolutely unbelievable.
It's all coming down. It's all coming down. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh. It is coming down. Unbelievable. Whoa. Boom. Oh man, look at this one. Oh man. Oh man. This big one in the middle's gonna go. It's coming. It's going. I can see it moving. It's coming. Oh, it's moving slow. It's falling. Oh, boom. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Oh, my gosh, the whole thing.
India, an astonishing rise of land has lifted nearly 10 feet above the surrounding area. An unbelievable natural phenomenon.
अपने आप ही जमीन उखड़ रही पता नहीं भोलेनाथ ने क्या कर दिया
In Pakistan, a massive glacier crashes down from the mountain peak, creating a breathtaking sight.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
Oh god. Oh dear god.
Okay.
These rocks crash down from a great height on the mountain, producing a deafening roar that echoes through the air.
Лавины. Ого. Ого. Они там камни падают.
These girls will never set foot in the ocean again.
Don't run! Murife! Murife, don't run! Hey! Murife, don't run! Murife, don't run! Hey!
This magical moment captured in Central Park in Burnaby. In a matter of seconds, the bubble of water rapidly freezes into solid ice, a stunning transformation driven by the extreme cold.
It's a vortex, look! Hey, Zach! You think that sucked down a stick?
I got one right here.
Oh, yeah! Oh, my goodness! Whoa!
The fish appears empty and lifeless, but when the man releases it into the water, it suddenly begins to move.
First waterbed, brought to you by Expansion.
¿Qué será eso, eh?
This is
¿Sabes qué
unbelievable
están sucediendo
and
cosas raras,
strange.
¿Tú no viste lo que está pasando ahora después de la Antártida? Está raro eso, Andy.
On one side of the road, it's raining heavily, while the other side basks in clear, sunny weather. A rare and strange moment of nature.
Se viene la pared.
Oh my gosh, look.
In 2019, Mount Etna in Italy erupted powerfully, spewing ash and lava into the sky and creating a dramatic spectacle. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.